Hey guys, Pawan here and welcome back to the channel. And as you can see today we have the Logitech G935, the gaming wireless headset. So in the recent video we see the Razer, I think that was Kraken X Lite gaming headset. That was more kind of a budget friendly, but on the other side this is more kind of like a premium high and expensive gaming headset. So costs around 175 around from Best Buy and Amazon, and comes with some great features and stuff. So we'll go through everything. Let's unbox it and then we'll talk about everything. Let's start the video. The box, and let's open it. So guys, in the box we get the headset, some paperwork about the products from Logitech, stickers, and what else we have? Some more paperwork and wires. So guys, here we have the headset itself. The design of it, this thing you can see is really bulky, but overall looks premium. The leather is really soft here. We have the replaceable side panels. You can just remove it like that. There's magnets, and you see a replaceable battery here. Put it here and it will go like that. And on the other side, if you can see, we have the USB sign. So that means we have the USB dongle here for receiving the signals. It's a nice place to put it here so that you will not lost it in the long run. In the back we have bunch of buttons, including the power button, microphone mute button, and the volume button. And even though you mute it from here also, or so see, this is a microphone, and if you put it back it will automatically mute also. So it's up to you if you want to use this feature or you want to mute it from the manually. So guys, G935, one thing I just want to say, they are not perfect, but they will do the work for you. Yeah, so the drawbacks of this thing is it makes this weird tweaking sound when you twist them. And this is not just with this one, you can see a bunch of people's review on the internet and all of them making the same sound. And second thing is the RGB that they give it. I don't know why they put it in the back. So in this way it's not visible to anyone. So for example, if you are a streamer, your chat will not able to see what's the RGB because it's all in the behind. So someone who's watching you from the back can see, and you don't want anyone watching you from the back, right? That thing sounds scary. So let me give you the one example of the microphone also. So guys, right now we are doing the audio test of the microphone from Logitech G935. This audio is unedited. I have no idea how it sounds right now. I will see while the editing processing, but right now you can hear it. Let me know in the comment section how was the audio from the microphone itself. Guys, it comes with 50mm Pro G drives and 2.4 GHz USB receiver with up to 12 hours of straight battery life, but with the RGB off, and with RGB on it gives you only around 6 to 8 hours of battery life. And about the range, you can go around 15 meters indoor for the wireless range also. It works with both PC and the console, and you can also use the 3.5mm jacks for the console, or even if you want to use it with the PC when you run out of battery, just turn off the switch of the power and you can just straight use it with the cable. The next thing is about the sound. So it has a lot more bass as compared to their competitors like the HyperX Cloud, and the highs and lows work very good. In the game it will give you a good sound, so you will know where the enemies are, whether they are on the top of the building or the down. So it works with good, but make sure to turn on the surround sound while playing the game. It comes with 5 buttons, from which 3 of them are customizable, G1, 2 and 3, and you can customize them from the Logitech app itself, or you can just leave it, because there is a drawback of the buttons. There's so many buttons in the back and it will take some time for you to get used to it. Sometimes while I press one, you are mistake press another one. So because guys, it's not a keyboard that the more switches are better, it's a headset. So the more switches they have, the more complicated it becomes. So guys, at the end I just want to say the headset for the gaming is really good. G935 do a great job for the gaming, but for the music side I don't suggest you to go for this kind of headset. There's some other options for that, but not this one. Just for the gaming and stuff, it's really good, under $200. So from the gaming side, it's a big yes. And if you enjoy the video, please press the like button, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until that, please take care. Bye bye.